This is developing right now. A federal judge rejecting the terms of a proposed plea deal for two of Ahmaud Arbery's killers, saying she doesn't agree with the sentence prosecutors wanted to offer Travis McMichael. The judge deciding to handle Travis McMichael's case first today. So now he is left to decide whether he still wants to enter a guilty plea or take his chances with a trial. Joe Henke following these latest developments for us tonight, including what is all going on with Gregory McMichael's case as well here, Joe.
Well, Sheba, the judge coming to her conclusion after hearing from Ahmaud Arbery's parents, who say they feel betrayed, claiming they told prosecutors they do not support a plea deal in this case, especially not the one offered.
Their concern is legitimate. It is concerning the conditions of confinement, which the state has already determined.
Attorney Lee Merritt, representing the family of Ahmaud Arbery, says the family wants the three men found guilty in state court of murdering Arbery to spend the rest of their lives in state prison. Earlier this month, a judge sentenced Gregory and Travis McMichael to life sentences without parole in state prison, and William Roddy Bryant to a life sentence with a chance to receive parole after 30 years. The trio were found guilty of murdering Arbery when he ran through their neighborhood back in 2020. Now they face separate federal charges. Prosecutors today detailed a plea deal where the McMichaels would both enter guilty pleas to a hate crime charge and admit they targeted and killed Arbery for being black. As part of the deal, prosecutors recommended the judge sentence the father and son to serve 30 years in federal prison before they are moved to state prison. Arbery's mother, believing conditions in federal prison are better than state prison, begged a federal judge today to not sign off on the deal.
It's disrespectful. I mean, like Lee shared earlier, I fought so hard to get these guys in state prison. And once I gave them, I told them very, very adamantly that I wanted them to go to state prison and do their time that Judge Wansby gave them back on the 7th of January.
The federal judge here handling each McMichael separately. After hearing from the Arbery family, she said she would accept a guilty plea from Travis McMichael, but would not follow the recommended sentence from prosecutors, meaning she could hand out a harsher or different sentence. Travis now has until Friday to decide if he will still plead guilty here, assuming his case will be handled the same. Gregory McMichael asked for time and has that same Friday deadline. Their trial, as of right now, scheduled to start on Monday.